Social factors influences a consumer behavior. Reference groups. A person's reference group consists of all the groups that have a direct face-to-face or indirect influence on his, her attitudes or behavior. Philip Kotler. Social factors affecting consumer behavior. Groups having direct influence on a person are called membership groups. Some membership groups are primary groups. Primary groups are family, friends, neighbors, co-workers. We can see in a wedding, the entire family tends to buy clothing of similar type from same type of shops. They go for shopping together. Hence, family influences consumer behavior. Friends influences our consumer behavior. We can see our college friends all wear jeans. We also tend to buy jeans. So, friends influence our consumer behavior. Neighbor influences our consumer behavior. Yes, we know that in cities like Mumbai, Dandiya is played by everyone. We see our neighbor who goes to play Dandiya. We also buy those Dandiya sticks, and we also buy similar type of dressing which suits the festival, and we also play Dandiya. We know even Christmas celebrations are like that. The Santa cap is brought because a neighbor has brought. Again, our cooking is also influenced by our neighbors. Sometimes we tend to buy those masalas which our neighbor is using, and so neighbors influences our consumer behavior. In some part of our country, we can see that companies like Mercedes-Benz, Audi, BMW are able to sell cars because neighbors have an influence on the consumer. Co-workers influences our consumer behavior. Say for example, if a particular co-worker throws a party in a particular restaurant, then others also feel, okay, this is a good place to throw a party. So co-workers influence our consumer behavior. Again, we can see that our dressing is influenced by our co-workers. We tend to buy from those shops and the type of dresses which our colleagues wear. It has an influence on us. We tend to go shopping together and buy blazers, salwar kameez, t-shirts. Then we have got our decision on buying which mobile service provider we should use based on the feedback which we get from our co-workers. Because at times we are using our phone in our workplace and we tend to get influenced by our colleague who says, okay, this XYZ connection works very well in our office. Sometimes even our financial products which we buy like mutual funds, shares are also influenced by our co-workers. Secondary groups. In secondary groups, we will be discussing two groups. One is religious group and other is professionals. I am sure you have understood what is primary group. Now we move on to secondary groups. First is our religious groups. We tend to buy clothing based on our religious groups. Say for example, if you want to visit a mosque, then we have to wear a certain type of clothing. So what our religious groups buy, that all we tend to buy. We can see in this picture of Hare Krishna how they are wearing the saffron color dress. Again, we will find that all Muslims visit the Mecca. So once people grow old or in their lifetime, they would like to visit Mecca, especially a Muslim brethren would like to visit Mecca. So they all go together, and our religious groups influence our buying behavior. Then we have got the Christians who visit Jerusalem. So the church group, religious group, may all plan together, and they may go and buy tickets and visit religious places, as in the case of visiting Jerusalem. Then we have got profession. Our professional people influence our consumer behavior. We can see in this example how the gym trainers tend to wear similar type of clothing. We can see doctors tend to buy those apron and other profession related items. We can see how our colleagues, executives all dress similar way, so we tend to buy coat, suit, boot, the way how our professionals are wearing. Or you can see in this picture how the air hostesses are dressing in similar way because they belong to the same professional. I hope you have understood social factors influencing consumer behavior. Thank you.